What if one company could redefine global finance with a single stablecoin? Circle's CRCL is shaking up the $248 billion stablecoin market in 2025. Will it crush USDT and USDC or face regulatory roadblocks? Stay tuned to uncover the future. Stablecoins are the lifeblood of crypto, moving 1 trillion monthly in 2025, and Circle's leading the charge with CRCL. Its Circle reserve currency built on USDC's success. CRCL aims to be the ultimate digital dollar for DeFi and global payments. Circle now valued at $43.7 billion after its NYCE debut under ticker CRCL, reported $1.7 billion in 2024 revenue, driven by USDC's 27% market share. With stablecoins powering 90% of DeFi transactions, CRCL innovations could reshape finance. CRCL builds on USDC's foundation, a stablecoin with 61 billion in circulation across 23 blockchains, like Ethereum and Solana. Its cross-chain transfer protocol, CCTP, enables seamless transfers, cutting costs to under 1 cent, versus Swift's $25 fee. In DeFi, CRCL powers lending and yield farming with 585 billion in Ethereum transactions in Q1 2025. Circle's payment network launches in 2024, integrates CRCL with fintechs like Fiserv, enabling real-time settlements for merchants globally. Take Mercado Libre in Latin America. Using CRCL, it processes cross-border payments in seconds, dodging Argentina's 100% inflation. In DeFi, a trader uses CRCL on Polygon to earn 8% yield on Aave, risk-free, showcasing stablecoin's utility. CRCL faces fierce competition. Tether's USDT dominates with 141 billion market cap, driving the unregulated market but facing transparency criticism. USDC, also from Circle, leads in compliance with monthly audits and a New York bid license. CRCL differentiates with enterprise-grade APIs and MiCA compliance in the EU, where USDT faces delisting by 2026. Analysts at CT predict the stablecoin market could hit 1.6 trillion by 2030, with CRCL's focus on industrial trust stealing shares from USDT. CRCL's transparency and regulatory alignment makes it a magnet for banks and fintechs, unlike USDT's reserve issues. Its payment network could be a game changer for global commerce. Regulation is reshaping stablecoins. The US Genius Act passed by the Senate in June 2025 mandates one-to-one reserve and transparency, favoring CRCL and USDC. The EU's MiCA, fully effective in 2025, bans non-compliant coins like USDT, boosting Circle's 40% market share growth since 2024. Circle's bid for a national trust bank charter in June 2025, if approved, could make CRCL the backbone of digital finance, managing reserves under federal oversight. Circle's CRCL is redefining stablecoin, powering DeFi and global payments with unmatched compliance. Will it overtake USDT or reshape the finance entirely? Drop your predictions in the comments, like, subscribe, and join us to track the stablecoin revolution in 2025. Till then, see you in the next video.